Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 31st, 2023. 5 Sudoku. 5th row, 7th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 9. 6th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, column G, we get pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 6, 7. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Second row also we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 7, 5. Column H, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. The 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 7, 2. Third row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 2nd grade, only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column F, we got 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 8, 3. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 9, 4. Second row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 8, 2. Column J, we have 6 and 2. So 6 and 2 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then second row, only 1 number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 9, 3. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. 9th grade, column J, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 7. 9th row, 10th row, we got 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. First grade, and then the 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 4. 10th row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 9. 8th row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 7th grade, column B, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.